What's up, guys? I'm back. Finally back. It's been it's been about a week since I posted a video. Upon request of Volkster, we'll call him out. I wanted this video posted like now. So this video is of this little child falling asleep, bulldog, and falling asleep in party chat, and he is snoring. It is ridiculous. Grown ass man. No, child. He is a child. Hey, bulldog. How's that noob coming? No, nothing. Sleeping. Catching some Z's. Just ridiculous. Also, Modern Warfare 2 beta. The new beta came out. I'm gonna play on that. And yeah, I'm gonna get a few good gameplays in that. I'm gonna post that a little quicker. I'll probably get a game posted tomorrow, another video posted. So here you go, Volkster. Let's drop that like. If you guys watching, drop that early like. You know, all that fun stuff. All right. I know I'm gonna get a few more likes on this one. So here's a video of this child. So y'all stay blessed.
Oh my god. So fun. This man is out.
Dude, if you upload this to your YouTube, it'd be so funny.
It's going on YouTube. This man snoring is going on.
Please. Oh my god, I'll bet.
Tell me more, bulldog.
What'd you get? You got tactical nuke your first game? Oh, okay.
Oh, I think this is gonna be my intro, man. I think I was looking for an intro.
Yeah,
I think I just found it.
Make a remix of him snoring.
Scanning all
I'm uploading this. This is happening.
Yes, Brennan, I hear you. Hey, Brennan.
Good morning, sunshine. Good morning.
Hey, Bill Sack.
Did this man wake up?
I don't know.
He just choke on his own spit. Good morning, sunshine. Baby girl.
For the ball sack.
What? Did this man finally wake up?
Brennan?
What?
Oh my.
Hey, Brennan. That was sure have.
Dude. You're gonna be on my YouTube channel and it's gonna be fantastic.
He got the perfect gameplay. They're just sitting there going.
And then you waking up, what? You join up, man. Oh, what did you drink? Fucking Z-Play?
He drank
What was that drink
codeine.
you went and got? Yeah.
He drank that lean. You're small. You just like gotta give up.
I'm gonna go get something to drink.
Fuck yeah.
Taking the lead.
Oh!
Oh god, Keith. What made you wake up?
Did, I'm sure.
What made you wake up, Brennan?
Oh!
Brendan.
I don't fucking know.
I am going off with this.
Yeah, I've seen your ballistic knife gameplay. That's how you know I've watched it.
Oh no, I died! Oh no!
Oh, wow, that did stuck me at the cluster.
Oh, there's barbed wire right there. What the? You are gonna be my greatest viewed video.
Oh, dude, no. Oh, dude, this cord up melts. We're not melted this fast. Shred.
Oh!
That did cross the map, Keith.
That was the longest shot I've ever done.
Oh, what the heck? What? I passed that. What?
Task UAV above my location.
Oh my god, man. Shit, I didn't think he was gonna do that.
Hostile care package inbound.
Oh, I swung, ho!
Don't kill me, man.
Alright, man.
Firing for effect.
Wow.
Deploying razor wire.
Assault pack's down. Come get it.
Really?
What the fuck?
Enemy UAV above.
Holy shit, Keith, all right there.
Hostile RCXD spotted. Perfect planning. Perfect execution. Nice work, Black Ops.
Uh-oh.
Oh! Oh, damn it. I thought I was gonna show my long shot. Oh, man. That was so pretty.